Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Shucharita Bhattacharya, the subject teacher of physics. I'm welcoming you all in the Physics Lab 2 for the first day. You students, you have done the Physics Lab 1 experiments and you have seen what about the experimental setups there. Now today, we will first take a look in the form of a short tour, you can say, to look at the different type of equipments with which you will do your physics lab 2 experiments. Okay, just take a look at the experimental setups what we have as per our syllabus, that is the modified autonomy syllabus for physics lab 2. So we are in the first table where I have assembled the 3 setups. The detailing, everything will be done in due classes. Only the setups what are there, that you please take a look. This is the experiment to determine the energy band gap of a semiconductor using 4 probe setup. Energy band gap of a semiconductor using 4 probe setup. So this is the complete setup and the detailing will be done in the due course. Okay. Now come to the second experiment, that is this one. This experiment is determination of specific charge of electrons in the form of E by M, small e by small m, the specific charge of electron by J.J. Thomson's method. Here we have the CR tube as well as the magnetometer, and this is the power supply with the setup itself. Okay. So this is the second. Now let us come to the third one. Now this is the electronic kit, basically to study the LED characteristics. Okay, LED, you know, light emitting diode. So LED characteristics trainer kit it is. That means you will study the LED characteristics through this setup. Let us now move to some other tables. Now let us compare what is there. Let us take a look. So this is another one. Here, to study the temperature transducer, we will use this kit. To study the temperature transducer, here we will use the thermocouple, and the thermocouple is kept here, and this is the electric oven, and this is the definitely the setup with the help of which we will study the temperature transducer. Okay, transducer characteristics definitely. Now let us come back here. Just take a look. You are getting a huge setup, I think. The big one. Are you getting it? Probably it will be better if I keep it here. Okay. Now, this is the Hall effect setup. This is the Hall effect setup. Here we have the Gauss meter to measure the magnetic field. And this is the electromagnet where magnetic field will be created by sending the current through this constant current power supply. And this is a Hall probe which will intersect the magnetic lines of force to give you the magnetic field. And this is the semiconductor crystal. And this is the Hall effect setup. Okay. So this is entire kit, and definitely the detailing we will do during the classes. Yeah. Now let us look at some other setup. Just take a look here. This is the study of LDR. LDR characteristic setup. This one is the LDR characteristic setup. That is light dependent resistance characteristics. Okay.